The University of Oxford is one of the leading universities in the world. It is a collegiate research university in Oxford, England. There is evidence of teaching as early as 1096, making it the oldest university in the English-speaking world and the world's second oldest university in continuous operation. Getting in is hard, but perhaps not as hard as people think. Oxford offers 48 undergraduate degrees in a wide range of disciplines, from the traditional sciences through to humanities, law, languages, and fine art. The language of instruction at the university is English. The University of Oxford is made up of a central university, 38 colleges, and 6 permanent private. Oxford is ranked within top 10 most prestigious universities in the world. Oxford is one of the world's top research universities and boasts world-class facilities for study and research excellence and innovation, and home to some of the most talented researchers in the world. Some parts of the Harry Potter films were shot in Oxford. Oxford lies along the upper course of the River Thames, 50 miles or 80 kilometers northwest of London. Among the notable alumni of Oxford University are Sir Michael Ernest Sadler, Charles Taylor, C.S. Lewis. Oxford has been associated with many of the greatest names in British history, from John Wesley and Cardinal Wolsey to Oscar Wilde and Sir Richard Burton and Cecil Rhodes.